If you don't like writing essays but still want to impress employers, then let's hack your resume quickly and simply. First, pick a Microsoft Word template that fits your style. Clean, modern, and easy to read. Stick with fonts like Arial or Calibri and keep text between 10-12 points. Margins? Go with the classic 1 inch or 0.75 inches for a polished look. Now, organize your sections. List your most recent job first, or show off your skills up top if you're switching careers. Always start with your name, phone, email, and LinkedIn if you have one. Your summary should be punchy. Think headline, not novel. When listing experience, use powerful action verbs: managed, launched, improved. Back up your wins with numbers, like increase sales by 20%. Add education, skills, honors, and anything else relevant. Tailor every resume to the job and sprinkle in keywords from the job posting. This helps you beat those tricky applicant tracking systems. Finally, proofread, save as a PDF, and ask a friend for feedback. That's it. Your resume is now ready to shine.